Hi everyone, in front of me I've got WACOM MovinkPad 11 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Pad. Then here we have to scroll down to the very bottom again to find this option Build Number and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Then let's go to the system in the left upper corner again and tap on developer options. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, you can disable USB audio routing, show view updates, change window animation scale, show visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking overall. We've got Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi, etc. So to turn on the feature, you have to simply tap on the switcher on it, for example like here, and it will be immediately activated and applied. And of course you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Just tap on the switcher which is pinned to the top of the screen, and you will need to restart your device to change the settings. So simply tap on restart, and after powering it on again, the developer options will disappear from the system settings, but of course no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.